हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय वीडियो। सो पिछली वीडियो आपने देखी है? नहीं देखी है तो एक बार देख के आओ और एक्सपीरियंस करो। और आज हमारी बात होएगी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के ऊपर। जो डिफरेंट टाइप की पर्सनैलिटी होती है, जो दो तरह के होते हैं, इंट्रोवर्ट और एक्सट्रोवर्ट की पर्सनैलिटी होती है ना, तो उसके बारे में बात होगी। ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो गाइस, देयर आर द टू टाइप ऑफ पर्सनैलिटीज़, introvert and extrovert. It traits give us a introvert and extrovert personality. And for talk about the personality, introvert is the personality which reticent reticent and they never more talkative, never be firstly they mostly friendly, uh, they never talk more, but they are the good listener. Mostly of the persons are the feeling shy, and they never try to make a friends, or not more talkative, and trying never doing to make any person feel comfortable. So these are the introvert person. Introvert persons are never be performance socially. They work on the alone with their mindset, and they are the very focused persons. Mostly of the times in company we see that the introvert person are trying to the those work those which they effectively they do perform, easy to doing, or is and effectively they perform with their focused work and their focused mindset and their consistency. But if we talk about extrovert, the extrovert is those who trying to different, they are working socially, uh, they perform in socially work, uh, they wanted to connect with everyone, and and enjoying the all work with the all person. And also we see in a company they perform the those work which enjoying to do with the socially and gathering with each other. The introvert persons are communication style, and their extrovert person's communication style is different. The introvert person can they think before doing. They take time and perform the work with all things adjustments, and and maintain the all data, and then they think on the work, and they think, then they perform. But if we talk about extrovert, the extrovert persons are communication style is different. They listening the things, they mostly work on the high speed. They wanted to work with the quickly terms. And we talk about their communication style. Introvert person are communication is short term. They talk in shortly, but their short communication is very effective than others, because they think before and perform the task in this. And extrovert persons think, they talk more, their communication style is different, and it's also very effective, and their communication style is performed on the long term. uh, they never want to quickly talk, say. So their communication style is also different both. If we are talk about their examples of introvert extrovert, so that introvert person example is that, then for example, if a poet give a book to introvert person to read it, in a 2 days or 2 hours. They are work on the alone. Mostly they prefer the alone work, so they focused on the work on reading the book without any socialism. So this is the example of introvert. And extrovert example we are talking about. So extrovert example is person is that like who connect with others easily. If a teacher, we said that to connect with the party, content creator, and follow and gathering to social gathering with their followers. This work are done by all extrovert person in the work. So this is the example. And if we are talking about these are the all things of introvert and extrovert. And then important note is that the different of introvert extrovert is same, but introvert is alone work, not more talkative. But extrovert is social gathering interesting. They more talkative. So but there are the one person in that who's very different than who is different from their introvert and extrovert. The one person is that who's very less confidence. It's more lesser than the introvert, because they are never doing any social gathering. They are alone, so never they are more talkative. So guys, uh, these are the video. We are talking about the introvert and extrovert personality. सो गाइस मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और पिछली वीडियो अगर नहीं देखी है तो देख लेना. तो मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.